Hello guys, my name is Diego Pacheco and this is another Rust video. Today we're gonna be covering channels. So let me open my idea. Channels are very interesting and powerful in Rust. They implement a pattern which is not unique to Rust as well. You might be hearing something similar in Go, although Rust, started with green threads but doesn't have green threads anymore because Rust is a zero cost of abstraction language, and green threads they have some coordination. Um, as far as I remember, Tokyo has something like that and some support for that. Um, so here I have no dependencies, and channels. They are called MPSC, multiple producer, single consumer. You might heard about this in Kafka as well. People also do MPSC there. So it's like a river. You have several things going to one place, but then it's consumed by one guy only. So we're gonna do it two ways: a simple way and then using threads. So you need to use std sync MPSC, multiple producer single consumer channel, and also we will need spawn for threads. So the simple way with no threads is you just create channel, and it's gonna give you a tuple with a sender and receiver. So as you can see here, I have no types, but how he know that it's high 32? Interesting, right? Because the first send is 42. That's why he can guess. Then you are passing high 32. So I'm just sending two numbers here, and then I'm doing receiver dot receive. Recv is receive, short for receive, and unwrapping. Because I think this is a result. Yes, it's a result. So either we're gonna get an I32 or a seed error, a rec v error. Then we're printing here. Then we're doing if flat if I of I32 receive is okay. We're gonna print the value. Otherwise, we have an error. That's a more safe way to do rather than to do rec v. You also can do try rec v, which is a bit better, right? And then with threads, I have a mute handlers, which is a vec. I do channels, so I have a sender and I have a receive. So that's an interesting thing. Remember Rust borrow and ownership rules. So I'm gonna create a thread and put to my handlers, and I do that with spawn moving because I need the sender to send there, right? But once I do this, now because of move, and because I have the sender here, the ownership of the sender is here. So how can I send again? Well, I can't, right? Because I lost my reference to the sender. So I need to do clone first. So make sure I have another copy of the sender R2, and that's why here I'm using R2. If I would to send here, I could not use sender or R2 again. I would need to do another copy and then use the clone to send it, right? So it's a bit annoying, but borrow ownership rules in Rust. So here the same deal, and here we are doing a for each join handlers, and just wrapping to make sure they finish, and then using the debug macro to see receive and try receive. And I'm doing this twice because we send it twice, right? So let's run this application. And as you can see, in a simple way, I saw 42, I got 171. We got an error empty on the first try, right? And the reason is, all right, because here we send it twice, right? We send it one time here, second time here. So we're receiving the first time here and receiving the second time here, right? That's got it. But then here is error because there's a third time and there's nothing there, and this fails. With threads, The debug macro is interesting because it shows the source code and the line, so it's very useful for tracing. So we can, and also the code. So you did receive. Yes, we did this on line 42. So if you take a look on line 42, yeah, that's exactly what we did. And we got an okay because it's a result with 42, and we did again got another okay with 171. Right? So it works exactly as expected. Channels are very powerful. You should use them for concurrency. They're very nice. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you guys like it. See you next time. Take care. Cheers.